So lately, if you've been active on YouTube, you have seen non-stop videos talking about ChatGPT. And I was wondering, what the heck is this? A lot of people was talking about it. So I decided to download the app. I don't know if this is necessarily the correct app, but I downloaded this app. And what I did was I typed in make a YouTube video on best side hustles in 2023. Within 2 seconds, it gave me a list of 20 different options. And the options are honestly not that bad. So I decided to take the 5 best options that they actually said. And what we're going to do is break each one down. See, is it worth it? Exactly how you can actually do it. Let's get into the video.
Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky.
Welcome back, beautiful people. I'm Lando Success, your favorite motivational teacher. The goal is whenever you come to my channel to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. Make sure you guys hit the good old subscribe button, leave a comment, and all that good stuff. So the first thing it said was start a blog and monetize with affiliate marketing. That's probably one of the best ones. I love, they said start a blog and monetize with affiliate marketing, because a lot of blog sites, you'll get paid if you bring a lot of traction. But if you have a brand new blog, you're not going to get a certain amount of visitors like that. So let's look at this. So what I did was just type in free blog sites, and you got Squarespace. You have all different type of stuff. WordPress, LinkedIn, Medium, Ghost, Blogger. I honestly use WordPress. I haven't been on WordPress in years, but let's see my blog and see if it's still up. And I just typed in Lando Success WordPress, and it looks like it is still up, giving people the insight of being a flight attendant. I'm having a baby during quarantine. Talked about that, the process, how that went. And it's funny, I did this years ago. So what my main purpose was to create a blog and to drive traffic towards whatever YouTube video I was doing. Why did I become a flight attendant? You see how clean and easy this is. I'm not no perfect writer, but this blog site has been up for years, and you don't know how you can get all different type of traffic. Look at that, investing 101. Now, when they talk about affiliate marketing, let's break that down. So if we go to one of my recent videos and you look in the description, you're going to see a lot of affiliate ideas and a bunch of links. This is the Albert app. I get paid every time somebody sign up for that Albert app. You got crypto.com. I get paid when people sign up and deposit money with crypto. Free gas. This is an app that is completely free. I believe it's called Get Upside, or it's called Upside Now, where people get discounted gas. I have made probably $200 to $300 just off of referring people about that. So I have mine set up where it's like, look, crypto options, investing options, gig jobs, saving money. Now, a while ago, when I first was on YouTube, and I actually seen somebody talk about how they made 6 figures off of affiliate links.
Anyway, in 2020, we did $162,859 in terms of affiliate income. In 2021, that number was $178,315. And this year, in 2022, that number is going to be around about $235,665 from affiliate income.
I didn't even think people actually click those links, because when I watch YouTube videos, I just watched the videos. I never went into the description. And once I seen people actually talking about how they're making 6 figures off those links, I started putting it in my descriptions, and people actually do sign up. So you would actually merge that with the blog. Genius concept. You could talk about sports. You could talk about family, marriage, love, whatever you like to talk about, and whatever going viral in the world. Start a blog, talk about it, and get paid with affiliate links. Smart deal. Number 2, say create and sell ebooks. Now, this one is more of a difficult one, because first, for you to create an ebook, you kind of have to be a decent writer. You have to have a subject to talk about, and you got to already have some type of influence to promote it to people. Because if somebody that have no influence just create an ebook and try to promote it, nobody's going to buy it besides your mom and your cousin, and they possibly not buy it. Now, if somebody like me that have a bunch of subscribers, have a small influence, I actually written a book before. It's called Against All Odds. So if we type in Lando Success Against All Odds. I clicked the wrong one. You see I have a book on Amazon that I released in 2018. Shout out to everybody who gave me the stars besides the last woman. She is a hater. Now, this was probably under $2,000 for me to get an editor, the whole process to completely get this done. I also have this available on Kindle, but the problem is it still takes money to get this done properly. So I wouldn't recommend this one unless you honestly are a good writer and already have some type of platform to promote it and get exposure with that ebook. The third one is my favorite. Start a YouTube channel and make money from advertising. So hear me out. At this point in the world, you can make a YouTube channel and make money no matter what subject you like. If you like collecting ladybugs, you'll find 1,000 people that actually is interested in ladybugs. If you want to talk about sports, you want to talk about finance, you want to talk about marriage, you want to talk about love, you want to talk about relationships, it's unlimited options at this point. You just have to learn how to please the YouTube algorithm, get enough subscribers, get enough people actually watching it. And I'm going to show you guys the money, because I actually have a YouTube channel covering sports. I got one covering reactions. I got one covering finance. You got a bunch of different options of YouTube. Now, each channel get paid differently. Look at this. Somebody is getting paid just by doing meditation music. Somebody getting paid about sports. Somebody getting paid about vlogging. Now, if you go to the analytics, the way it basically works is YouTube get paid per 1,000 views. On my channel, they get paid $28 per 1,000 views. They're going to give me 45 or 65% of the cut. And that equates to $13 per 1,000 views. And you see every day it actually changes, $37, $39. I get paid higher because my channel is based around finances. Now, if you got a video that's talking about ladybugs, you might get paid $1 per 1,000 views because they want to be able to put ads and advertisements and things like that in front of it. Like, look at this one, me talking about how to borrow money from Cash App. Since this is a pure money one, this almost paid me over $4,000 to do this quick video. That's crazy when you see it. Look at the RPM on this one, $41. They getting paid $53. And we can go all the way down to like a regular conversation video that actually don't pay that much. So here go another example where I talked about Andrew Tate. And Andrew Tate videos is only paying $4 per 1,000 views because it's not a high ad worthy type of video. So what I'm thinking about doing next month is starting a website, a program, because at this point, I know how to get monetized on YouTube. I got a sports channel that's about to be monetized in the next few days. I have finance channel, then I have a kids channel that's going to be monetized sometime this year. And I'm probably going to do a class charging $100 to teach people exactly how to get monetized. And that's another way to make some money and show people how to make some money. If you're interested in that and want to see it, let me know in the comments and I'll keep you guys up to date on that. The third one is provide online personal training services. Now with this one, I'm not necessarily sure if they're talking about just personal training such as fitness or whatever training, but we're going to use personal training such as fitness. I just came back from the gym before doing this video. You got a lot of people that work out, know how to take their body from 200 pounds to 150 pounds, from 300 pounds to 200 pounds, to no abs to getting abs. All you have to do is show results of you transforming your body or somebody else's body, and now you can provide services to others such as, look, hey man, I'm going to charge you $20 an hour. Let's do 2 hours. We're going to do a Zoom call, a FaceTime. Get in your house somewhere where you got room. I'm going to show you exactly which workouts to do. While you about to work out anyway, all you're doing is coaching people through it, and you physically don't even have to be there. And imagine having 30 people at once. Say you got 30 people and it's just $10 each for this 1 hour workout class. You'd have made $300 in an hour just from providing a great service. I like it. 4 is start an online store and start selling products. Now with this one, this is the most popular right now. Everybody's talking about starting their own e-commerce business because all you can do is find out what is the popular trending items. Let's say Valentine's Day is coming up. And remember when that Valentine's Day flower bear popped off like 2 years ago? everybody wanted to buy one if you actually just get a wholesaler that have that, start a website and start promoting it on a lot of different sites where people can actually buy it. You can start making money overnight. I haven't dived into that, but on YouTube, it's tons of videos of people that teach you exactly how to get started for free. That's a great business to get started. Just literally sell items that you don't technically have to buy. Just look at trending items, sell it. Great online business concept. And the last one is offer pet sitting services. Now, I want to mix this one up because I was watching on Ryan Trahan when he did his vlog series. He actually downloaded like a app where people was getting paid $25 to $30 an hour just from pet sitting. So people would say, look, I'm about to go to work. All I need you to do is come in the house and make sure my dog is fed or make sure my cat is fed. And that was a great way just to make a few dollars each day.
We got him. Hi, Toro. Good, Toro. Sniff. Okay, let's go. He wants to go. Toro. Toro, what are you doing? It's so funny on the app. They have like a profile basically, and it says Toro likes to chase animals, is leash trained, tries to eat things, which is such a funny. Hey, don't eat that. That's a trash can.
But my mindset would be start a business around doing that. Like literally, so many people have pets and so many people have jobs and they wish they had people to be able to watch them. The way my mind works, I would literally start a business, get like 5 employees such as my niece, nephew, all of them, and literally start promoting and talking to people like, look, we got a pet sitting service. If you need your pet watch, let's go ahead and do it. Send them over there, send them over there. And there's multiple ways you can actually do it. I like the pet sitting service business, but certain dogs and cats, I would get to sneezing, so I wouldn't do it. But it's a good, simple way to make money, and you have certain rich people. If you go to rich neighborhoods, they will pay $100 for you to just watch their pet because it is what it is. It's simple. So you can start a whole business concept around it. So also on this list, let's look at some things that they said. It says offer freelance services such as web design or SEO. It depends on if you know how to do it. Work as home health aid side. I don't know exactly how that work. Offer freelance services such as writing and stuff. You have to have a skill to be able to do it and want to do it. Offer paid online services. Not sure how that work. Offer paid wake-up calls. Not sure how that will actually work. Offer paid holiday greetings. I don't know. But for me to actually download this app, ask for an idea, and it gave me some decent options, I honestly think this chat, AI, GPT stuff might work in the future. I'm going to probably do some more videos about it. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in any of these. Have you ever tried any of these? Let the people know in the comments. If you want some free stocks, free all of that stuff, check out my good old affiliate links in the description. I'm Lando Seth. Talk to y'all soon.